Ever wonder why no matter how hard you work, your bank account never seems to grow? It's not always because you don't earn enough. In fact, most people are stuck in financial quicksand because of 5 simple habits. And the scary part is, you might not even realize you're doing them. Let's break them down and show you how to escape. Habit number 1: lifestyle creep. Every time you get a raise or a bonus, your lifestyle quietly upgrades with it. New clothes, better gadgets, fancier dinners. Suddenly, you're earning more but saving nothing. This is lifestyle creep. Spending grows with income. The fix? Pretend you never got the raise. Lock in your old lifestyle and direct the extra income straight into savings or investments. Wealth comes from widening the gap between what you earn and what you spend, not from upgrading every time money comes in. Habit number 2: relying on credit for wants. Swipe now, worry later. That's how credit card companies want you to think. But financing wants with debt is a silent killer. A $1,000 purchase can turn into $1,500 or more once interest compounds. The fix? If you can't buy it twice in cash, you can't afford it once on credit. Save for it or skip it. Habit number 3: ignoring your numbers. Too many people live blind to their own finances. They don't track income. They don't track spending. They don't even know what their net worth is. If you don't measure, you can't improve. The fix? Spend 30 minutes a month reviewing your numbers. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet will show you exactly where your money is going. Awareness is the first step to control. Habit number 4: delaying investing. I'll invest when I make more money. That's what most people say. But the longer you wait, the more compounding you lose. Investing small amounts early beats investing big amounts late. The fix? Start tiny. Even $50 a month into a broad index fund gets your money working for you. Waiting is the most expensive mistake you'll ever make. Habit number 5: chasing quick wins. Get rich quick schemes, meme stocks, crypto pumps, lottery tickets. They all prey on the same weakness: impatience. Real wealth is boring. It's built slowly and predictably. The fix? Stop chasing shortcuts. Build consistent habits instead. Budgeting, saving, investing steadily. The boring path is the millionaire path. So here's the truth. It's not usually the big mistakes that keep people broke. It's the daily habits. And if you can break just these 5: lifestyle creep, relying on credit, ignoring your numbers, delaying investing, and chasing quick wins, you'll put yourself in the top 10% financially without needing a miracle. If any of these habits sound familiar, it's time to change them today, because money doesn't just disappear. It flows to those who control it. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe, because next, I'll reveal the 7 simple money rules that can change your financial life forever.